Let's make low-calorie, high-protein brownies. Hey, if you're like me, I like my sweets, but I also like my protein. Let me teach you how to make high-protein brownies. All you need is 4 ingredients: whey protein powder, cocoa powder, almond butter or peanut butter, and a nice 6-incher average size banana. Preferably a ripe one. First, wash your hands, you dirty little. You're gonna add 1 whole banana into a bowl. Next, you're gonna add 1/4 cup of almond butter. Then add 1/2 cup of cocoa powder. If you wanna get fancy, you can sift it. And then 1 scoop or 30 grams of any chocolate whey protein powder. Now mix everything up. If you don't have a power mixer, you can also use a hand whisk. But don't make this mistake that I did. Oh my god, this thing is so strong. My fiance is gonna be so proud because I never bake anything. So she's gonna love this, I hope. Then preheat the oven. We're gonna bake this at 350 Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. Then line a pan or a dish with parchment paper and then spread some olive oil. We're not using butter because we want to be extra healthy here. Then place the batter into the dish. This actually doesn't look that appetizing. It looks like a sticky one. It looks like what I made this morning in the washroom. Now we're gonna throw this in the oven. While we're waiting for our brownies to bake, we're just gonna do a few push-ups just to get a quick pump.
Protein, brownies, protein, brownies, protein.
Pull out your delicious concoction from the oven and let it cool for about 10 minutes. This is optional, but while you're waiting, you can make a chocolate glaze. Put some dark chocolate chips in a bowl, put it in the microwave, heat it up for about a minute, and then give it a good stir. Once the brownies cool down, you're gonna plate it and you're gonna drizzle that chocolate sauce. Now, mine wasn't as aesthetic as I wanted, so I ended up just smothering it with more sauce, chocolate. Add a pinch of Himalayan pink salt to bring out that sweetness from the chocolate. Cut it into 4s and voila. All right, just cut them up. Taste test here. Here we go. Yeah. Woo. Yeah. Oh my god. That's so moist. And so thick. Oh my god. Dude, look at that. It's so fudgy because of the banana. Like, I'm not even kidding you. Like, this is so moist. It's super fudgy. But like, there's no fudge in it. And the nuttiness from the almond butter. And the salt on top just brings out the sweetness. Holy crap. It's so good. Hope you enjoyed this treat. Remember to like and subscribe for more healthy and delicious recipes. I'll see you guys next time.